How to cancel auto payment on Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see some steps that will help you to cancel auto payment on Amazon Prime Video. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Prime Video application in your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then again, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you're under the settings page, scroll down and tap on My Account. Now again, tap on Manage Account. Once you get to this page, if you have an active subscription on Prime Video, just below your membership option, there you will find a button or option that says End Membership or Turn off Auto Renewal. Then tap on End Membership. After that, follow some on-screen instructions to confirm. After that, you will receive a confirmation email that your auto renewal has been turned off and you can continue using the service until the end of your billing cycle. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.